Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing OneUptime, a tool that claims to monitor your website and get downtime alerts with the open source platform. So the tool is pretty simple. You will add your website, the tool will monitor any incident. If you go down, you will receive an email and they will alert that you are down. So you can monitor all your apps and websites from one dashboard. You have also a status page where you can see all your monitors or the monitors that you have selected from only one dashboard. You will have 100 monitors per month and all the updates of their future growth plan for only $39. So it's pretty cheap. I think it's a good opportunity for a monitor tool about the tier 1. One seat, 100 monitor. If you need more monitor with unlimited email alerts with all the tiers, you get the tier 2 or the tier 3. The tier 1 will be acceptable for mostly of the AppSumo user. So I think you get the most value from the tier 1 deal, but if you need more, go on. Now we'll have just a look at the tool. We can see here OneUptime. It's a one-click button tool. So just clicking create new project, add a project name. Now you have here your dashboard with monitor incidents, scheduled maintenance, status page, and more. Just go on monitors to create a monitor. Remember that you can create up to 100 monitors with the tier 1. Click on create monitor, a monitor name. You can add any description. And then you have the monitors type. You can monitor an API, a manual, a website, IP, incoming request. For the sake of that review, I want to monitor a website. So click on next. Just add the website URL. Just let it check if offline. So you receive a message when it's offline. So this criteria checks if the monitor is offline. The tool will give all the prompts for you. And the incident title is website monitor is offline. So when your website is offline, the tool will warn you by email. Just click on next. And then you can monitor every minute, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes. I'm going to add here every 5 minutes. Select your users, the one that will receive the reply about the incident. Add any label. It's optional and creates the monitor. So you can see that my website is operational. I can click here to view the monitor. My website is 100% operational. And you can create a status page with all your monitors. If it's a name, you can view your status page, and viewing your status page, you can add the monitors that you want. You can add a custom domain. You can brand your status page with your favicon, your brand, you change the title, description, adding custom domain, you can change the CSS, the HTML, JavaScript, etc. So overall, I think OneUptime it's an outstanding solution to monitor websites, API, etc. And I hope you buy it. I have added the best link on the description where you can check all the information about the deal and get it for only $39 on AppSumo right now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.